Did you know you can use your iPhone to share your live location with someone you trust? This can be really useful for keeping track of your family members and knowing they're safe. Open Google Maps on your iPhone, then tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Now tap Location Sharing. Here, you'll see people you've already shared your location with, if you have any. To share your location with someone new, tap New Share or More options, depending on what you see on your iPhone. Now, choose the person you want to share your location with. You can choose how long you want to share it. For example, you can select a specific amount of time or choose the option to share it until you manually turn it off. Once you choose the person and tap Share, they'll be able to see your real-time location on Google Maps for the duration you selected. This can be really useful if you're a parent and your child agrees to share their location with you, especially when they're traveling to school, going somewhere alone, or you're simply worried about their safety. It's also useful when you're traveling with friends or family, meeting someone in a busy place, or when you want someone you trust to know where you are during a long journey. And remember, location sharing should always be done with the other person's knowledge and permission. You shouldn't secretly track someone or share their location without their consent. So, if you have someone you trust who needs to know where you are, this can be a really useful feature to have. Did you already know about this Google Maps feature? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.